first thing that I noticed about the fuel grinder when I was running it was as soon as I started getting into grinding down a weld, it held the power up just as good as my quarter grinder did.
When I started using the M18 fuel grinder, I was very impressed with the power and the longevity that it had. We use it quite often for cutting steel and for grinding steel, facing for welding prep. And the versatility of having no cord to hang up on just made it work that much better.
Very versatile, light, easy to carry around. You don't have to worry about the cords getting caught on your jobs as you're walking around it. Use the same pressure, same procedures I would use with the cord grinder I use with the fuel grinder. It is very well designed to use for what we do.
I feel that the new fuel grinder fits the bill of where Milwaukee's going with all their fuel products. They're durable and they're built to last.